In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Windows Update cache on Windows 11. If your updates are stuck downloading, failing to install, or taking forever. Clearing the update cache can often fix the issue by removing old, corrupted temporary files. This process is safe, quick, and doesn't affect your personal documents or installed apps. First, open the Services Manager. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box, then type Services C and press Enter. This opens a list of background services that Windows uses. Scroll through the list until you find Windows Update. It's in alphabetical order, which makes it easier to spot. Right-click Windows Update and choose Stop. Stopping this service is important because it releases the files we're about to clear, so Windows isn't using them while we work. Next, open File Explorer. You can do this from the taskbar or by pressing Windows key and E. In the address bar at the top, go to CL Windows/Software Distribution. This folder is where Windows stores update downloads and related temporary data. Don't worry, these are cache files, not your personal files. Inside Software Distribution, select everything in the folder and delete it. You're only deleting the contents, not the software distribution folder itself. If Windows asks for administrator permission, that's normal for changes in the Windows folder. If a file seems busy for a moment, give it a second and try again. The service we stopped should free it up. Clearing these files removes any partial or corrupted downloads that could be causing update errors. Now return to the Services window. Find Windows Update again, right-click it, and choose Start. This turns the service back on so Windows can check for updates normally. When the service restarts, Windows will automatically recreate any folders it needs and download fresh copies of updates the next time it checks, which helps resolve many update problems. A few notes before we wrap up. Clearing the update cache does not uninstall already installed updates, and it won't remove your apps or files. It simply resets the temporary storage used by Windows Update. This is especially helpful if you've seen repeated error codes or if the update progress seems stuck at the same percentage. After this cleanup, future downloads typically proceed more smoothly because they start from a clean slate. That's it. You've successfully cleared the Windows Update cache on Windows 11, giving the update process a fresh start and often restoring it to normal.